professional mold removal in Terrebonne. Your home is your sanctuary, but even the best-kept homes in Terrebonne can fall victim to an invisible enemy: mold. Mold isn't just unsightly. It can harm your health and damage your property. But don't worry, we've got you covered. At Mold Busters, we specialize in fast, effective mold removal services tailored to Terrebonne homeowners. Our experts use cutting-edge technology to find and eliminate mold, even in hard-to-reach places. We don't just clean mold, we stop it from coming back. With over 15 years of experience, we're Terrebonne's trusted choice for a mold-free home. Breathe easier, sleep better, and enjoy peace of mind with Mold Busters by your side. Getting started is easy and convenient. Visit busmold.com to book a free virtual inspection from the comfort of your home, or download our exclusive mold inspection app for a seamless experience. Don't let mold take over your home. Act now.